What's up, online shoppers? I was just gifted this gorgeous cast iron Dutch oven by the brand CUKOR. I gotta tell you, I'm so excited to put it into action. Now, this is exactly how it came once it was inside the box. The top, you have a little bit of assembly to do. So they send you the knob right here and then the base. Now, one of the things I love about cast iron is that it comes out of the box pretty much ready to go. You don't have to worry about doing any sort of seasoning or anything else because this beautiful enamel surface in here is all ready to cook right out of the box. The only assembly required is to attach the knob to the top of the lid and then give you the screw, the knob. Put the screw in from underneath, hold it in place, and just tighten it. Now, when you get to the very bottom of screwing this in, you might want to use a screwdriver. Hold the screw securely in place, but I'm using pressure from my hand. It feels pretty secure. There is the lid right there. There's the screw right there. It has a star screwdriver, so if you do want to tighten it up extra tight, you just need a star screwdriver. But other than that, it's on there pretty solid. There we go. Specifically designed for baking bread in it, like a sourdough, but it's also a really good braiser for roasts. And one of the great things about this is it's oven or stovetop. Now, one of the things I love about cooking with cast iron is that it has superior heat retention, and it also has really good heat distribution. So you're not going to have hot spots on a pan. It's going to absorb the heat and spread it thoroughly all the way throughout your cooking. If you're using a cast iron lid and a cast iron base and you've got this in the oven, this lid itself is going to help cook everything because it's going to grab the heat, transfer it into whatever it is you're cooking. The ceramic coating on the inside of this is non-stick. You don't have to worry about any harmful chemicals because it's ceramic. One of the other things I appreciate about this great cast iron Dutch oven is that it has a 7-quart capacity, and that is pretty big. I can use this as a frying pan on my stove to fry up mushrooms if I'm having a steak. I can cook things in here, or I can use it in the oven, either covered or uncovered, to cook whatever I want. I love that this is a multifunctional piece that I can see myself using in my kitchen a lot in the next little while, whether I'm braising, frying, roasting, or doing any of those recipes that go stovetop to oven. This is the versatile cooking vessel to do it for me. I think the handles are really nice. There's definitely enough room for me to get my hands in here. Not that I would be grabbing like that when I took it out of the oven, because these are definitely going to be hot at that point. I think it's a great idea that the handles are on both sides of this, because let's be honest, I certainly don't have the wrist strength to hold this up on one handle, and the convenience of being able to get two hands on it, I think, is a game changer. I'm also not trying to grab it like this and move it around. The handles make it easy to move the pot on and off the stovetop and into the oven. The sheer weight of this lid makes this a really solid seal. It's going to do a great job of trapping the moisture and keeping it inside, which means the food you're cooking in here is going to stay moist and not get dried out. I am super impressed with this cast iron Dutch oven from CUKOR. I am definitely looking forward to many years of baking with this blue beauty, and I think it's going to definitely be a family favorite at my house.